Okay guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural, and it's late and I'm about to take my makeup off, but I wanted you to see this hairstyle that I came up with. It's a little grungy now, but I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm gonna turn around. So stay tuned. This didn't quite come out like I originally had done it. Let's see how it looks in the back. Doesn't look bad in the back. You can tell it's pinned. Okay, I'm gonna work on the front a little bit more to make it look more appealing in the front. But that is the style, you guys. And you can, I try not to use as many pins, hairpins or bobby pins to hold it down, but do whatever you feel is necessary. Sometimes you might need a little bit of a band to hold them down. So do that. You can use the clear ones around the whole thing to try to hold it down in the back so it'll stay. And I'm just gonna work on the front too a little bit more to give it a little bit of something. Let's see. I can work on the front a little bit. See if I can make it more stylish in the front, like right here. Maybe just do one, I don't know, and pin it. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, that's, maybe, let's see how I can figure that out. So the key here is it's only limited by your creativity. This is not anything that I've seen. I kind of looked at how people did rosettes, and the first one looked more like a rosette because I did not twist the strands together. So you can just do like this and it'll make it look more like a rosette, like a rose petal. But I didn't do that. I twisted it because I wanted, once I take it out, to have some definition. And so that's why I did it that way. And so I like a little oomph from the top. If you can tell, I like a little oomph on the top. So I'm going to continue to play with it until I get it just right. I might do it underneath here. I might do a or I might go, no, I don't want to go that way. I kind of just want to play with it. So you just play with it to see what works for you. Like that might work if I did that. Just, we'll see how that looks in pictures. I don't like the way that necessarily looks like that. So just play with it, you guys. I might just continue just to fool around with it. but you're only limited by your imagination with these styles. Of course, you could always look on Pinterest and look under Black Lock styles, and you'll see more styles, whatever you like. But this is something that I've always wanted to do, like a fro hawk or like a mohawk, because when I was loose natural, I did that a lot. I did a mohawk a lot, so you'll be seeing more styles like that as it goes on. So okay, until next time, you guys. Until next time, stay Wookie.